Welcome back to Central Valley Talk. You know, we come here every day at this time to talk about cool things going on in Fresno and the entire valley, the whole Central California, things that are going on, cool events, cool businesses. There's so many cool things going on, like businesses. You don't even know they exist, but you should know. It's coming up to tax season, so we invited our old friend, Marshawn Govan, in. You've been coming here for 10 years, I think.
Yeah, it's about 10.
And we believe in
10
Marshawn,
years.
and we support him and endorse what he does. But first of all, it's time to get your taxes done, and you guys do that.
Yeah, that's right. You know, it's tax season is upon us. IRS started now accepting tax refunds that are filed. But what people don't know that they should do their due diligence, make sure their taxpayer has a license. You know, make sure they have a P10. You know, they're bonded because there's
Which you guys are.
Yes, we are because
Before
there's
we go
accountability.
too far, where are you guys located now?
We are off.
We want to send people there to get their taxes done.
We're off of Freeway 41 in Ashland. We're actually on Fresno Street, 4021 North Fresno Street, Suite 107. However, we are also constantly striving to improve and being more innovative, where we do a lot of our tax stuff online. So people can go on our website, sign up for an account, upload their documents, send us everything they need.
So they don't have to take a half a day off of work and drive over there.
They don't have to. You can
That's
stay
why
at
people
work.
do it the last day, like me, because I
Correct.
just can't get over there.
Yeah, and I mean, we're competing with the TurboTaxes and all the other online tax wars, with filing. So we are, able to offer that online tax service as well.
And how convenient that is.
Unless people.
Well, let me ask you this, though. Some of my friends are going, they think they're getting a refund, and they have these big signs that say, hey, we'll give you your refund in advance and stuff, and they're coming out and they're not getting it. What's that all about?
That is a part of advertisement.
These are some of the big boys. I don't want to say their names.
Yeah, that's a part of advertisement. And so, they're going to look at their credit. Maybe it's something that they look at their credit, and sometimes that's automation. They're not looking at the person in general as an individual and actually having that personal one-on-one relationship. With us, we don't use automation decisions to, approve or decline our clients. We actually, manually look at everything, and then we're able to, offer a second chance finance. Okay. That's the way I'm going to put it.
So if they have a return coming, they could probably get a little loan.
Yeah, minimum $500.
Yeah, but a lot of these guys are coming out of the big boys, and they say you could get a loan, and they don't. But you can make it happen.
We can make it happen. We're making
it happen. But you have to do the taxes. They can't go to the big boy and then get rejected and then come to you. That you have to do the taxes.
Correct. And it's easier said than done. And we're not. We have the license to do it.
Okay.
So we are able to offer the loans directly as well. But if people are paying for a name, but then they're coming out disappointed because they work all year long and they look forward to that tax refund, and maybe they want a little bit of money, for birthday or pay off some debt, or whatever their situation is, and they come out not being able to get that loan. We have so many different loan products available that we're able to get them a loan, whether they can start off with the loan builder product or they're able to get that, right now immediate loan that they need.
Yeah, some people don't want to wait months and months for their return. By the way, you're in financial advising or something like consultants. What should people do with their tax return?
Well, when people get their tax returns, there's a few things that they can do. I recommend that they can pay down some debt. Take care of some of those late payments.
If you have an 8% credit card, you should pay that down.
Pay that down. Get your credit card utilization under the 30%. Save up some kind of a saving, some for, if anything, emergency fund. If something happens and they happen to be in a situation, then they just don't blow their tax refund, and just not have anything left over. The last thing that they can do is we have two different kind of products that we offer now, which is new to the Fresno area, which is our credit builder products. They can also open up a CD, and also it's in a bank. It's FDIC insured, and every month they make that payment, it's going to build their credit score. So they're not going to actually get, take on more debt by having another credit card. At the end of their, 12-month, 24-month contract, that money's theirs. It unlocks.
Can you put $25 in?
You can start off with $25.
So if you put in $25 a month, then that shows on your credit that you're making a payment or something.
Timely payments, and that's what builds up your payment history. So your credit score is a mix of everything. The other part of it is our retirement product, where you can actually own your own IRA, and we open it up with us. And the same thing, $25 a month is the minimum, and we'll report that to the credit bureaus. But the main thing that we're really trying to make sure people are aware of is their options. Knowing what's available for them. We're not just tax company. We are a full service tax company that does retirement planning. We specialize in tax debt relief. If people are owing taxes, back taxes, we're going to take care of that. We specialize in business tax filings. We're just on the same level as a CPA, but we're not as expensive as a CPA. We're more or less in the middle. We're in the middle markets, and so we're able to help service those people in those markets and those needs. We just don't want our clients to just come in like a In-N-Out burger. Right. We want to build that relationship and build that trust.
You see it at a lot of these little tax companies this time of year. You're just in and out.
In and out. You're like, you're just like a revolving door, and we don't want, our clients to be revolving doors. We're here to build a relationship. We want to educate our clients. We want if you're not getting a refund and you're going to the same tax preparer every year, you maybe need to think about switch it up a little bit and come and take some advice and at least take some of what we have to offer our consultancy. And work on that W-4. Instead of paying Uncle Sam, IRS, pay your tax preparer for the knowledge that they're going to give you, as well as help you maybe be able to get in a position to buy that house in a year from now. Okay. We have a lot of relationships with a lot of lenders. We have a lot of relationship with a lot of real estate agents. We have a lot of relationships with companies that will help you build your credit. Get you in a position to where you're more financially stable, and you're going to able to have a secure outcome in your future.
Now, do we have a little video on this?
We do have a video to show you about, what the typical scenario is when people go in somewhere else to file their taxes with our competitors. But if you come to us, these are what you're going to get. You're going to come out, satisfied, and we're in the people business. Okay. So we're into, building those relationships up and making sure we're taking care of our customers.
First of all, where's this 4021? Is it North Fresno Street?
North Fresno Street. Okay. It's south of 41 in Ashland. Okay. And so if they're on the 41 and they get off on Ashland, they'll just make a right and make another right, and then you're going to head south.
Can people just pop in, or should they make an appointment?
We prefer if you can make an appointment, but you can also pop in. But we do have gates and security, so you would have to just dial the last 4 digits of our phone number, 7248, and push 0, and we'll let you in through the call attendant.
Or call from the streets, hey, I'm pulling in or something.
Exactly.
But you know what I'm going to do? I love you, Marshawn, but I want to go to a site and I want to log in. I want to put my stuff up. I don't even want to go see people.
Yeah.
If I could do that. Where do they start with that? What's the website?
They go to our website, mkgtaxconsultants.com. We have a brand new revamped website. They can sign up to create a customer account, set their own password, get themselves email their password. If they lose their password, they can also reset their password, forgot their login, upload their documents. It's all convenient and secure. If they need copies of their prior year tax returns, we can also send that to them securely. They don't just have to just continue to call and say, hey, I need a copy of this. We're pretty much in a digital world. We're in a technology age where we should be able to better service our clients, and they also are building value in getting what they're paid for. If you pay for a cheap service, or you want to pay for a service, that's going to give you a better outcome, and that's what we're doing.
That's
here.
what you want to do.
Yeah.
Now, if I went today's Saturday, February 1st, if I went to your site and created an account, put all my stuff in, and let's say I have a pretty easy return, and maybe we get it done Monday, when am I start getting money from the state and federal government?
Well, if you have earned income tax credit, and if you are having a dependent on your account, then you're not going to get your refund processed until February 15th.
They won't even process.
They're not even going to process till
not
February 15th.
Not you guys, but the IRS.
The IRS. So you're not going to get that refund until they're not going to start processing it, and then also they're not going to start releasing it probably to around February 28th. And depending on if there's some audits, then you might not get a refund until maybe late March, maybe April, May. I mean, it happens. So tax advances are pretty convenient for those people that need it.
So if I got a couple hundred coming or a couple thousand coming, you might be able to help me get that in advance.
Correct. I mean, you want to have at least $1,000 refund, coming back to be able for some of our tax advance products. But normally your approval rate's in 24 to 48 hours. You're not going to, send us your tax documents and then wait over the weekend.
You're not going to wait 2 or 3 months.
No, you're not going to wait 2 or 3 months to get some money. We want to be able to get you that, that satisfaction within 24 to 48 hours. Also, our Send a Friend program. You can go on our website or you can send us referrals. Anyone that you send to us that files a tax return, we're going to pay you. We're going to pay you $50 for a person that comes in and files their taxes. Now, that means they have to be able to e-file as well as be accepted by the IRS. Then you're going on to there. You can go on our website, create an account. We can Cash App you that money. We are also a Western Union store. So we can send you your money anywhere in the United States.
I have Cash App. I like that.
Cash App is a very good way that we send our money to our customers.
So you'll do private income taxes, you'll do business taxes?
Business taxes. So if you have a small business, you have a corporation, an LLC, a nonprofit, we take care of it all. We do it all. We know we're not just a small shop. We actually can handle the big boy stuff too. But if you want to kind of, save some money, then, come talk to us. We have the same license as a CPA, a P10, CTEC certified in California. We just don't have, degrees in it. We're, certified public accountant. We're not a public accountant. We're a tax repairs and we're tax consultants here.
Now, besides the tax part, you also have business products.
That's right. We offer, we partner with another lender that offers small business loans as low as 500 credit score. So if you're having a small business, you need some working capital, buying some inventory, is trying to struggle with cash flow, as long as your business is in business to, and you have a bank account and you have a minimum of $3,500 in deposits, you're going to get, a loan. You can get a loan up to 3 times your deposit amount. So you're looking at maybe a $12,000 loan or $15,000 loan, and you can pay it back in 5 years, 60 months.
Wow.
So therefore, it's not meant for a long-term period, but it's you're not going through the banks and
gives
headaches.
You some flexibility to pay it off.
Flexibility to pay it off. And if you have some challenges on getting a bank loan, I mean those are really hard to do right now. Getting a bank loan. I mean you have to have perfect credit. No lates, no miss. I mean so if you have a business that you haven't filed your tax returns in a couple of years and you need to get that taken care of, we can take care of you financially and we can take care of you with your tax matters as well. And get you setting off in the right start. It's a new year, so you want to have a New Year's resolution. Maybe you also have a new tax company that will be able to take care of the things that you need, financially, as well as, your credit building services as well.
Also, you've been around a long time.
We've been around a long time. We've been around over a decade. We have an A rating.
I'll show you. I should have pulled up some videos of Marshawn coming in here about 10 years ago, and he's still here. So I think we're
still around. I mean,
long
time. I mean, we have a good rating with the Better Business Bureau. We're not accredited, but we have an A+ rating. You get a money back guarantee too. Yeah. So we offer a money back written guarantee. If you're not happy with our services, and we make a mistake or things, we just don't want to have no. Bad business, we'll just give you your money back. No other place is going to really offer that to you. Also, you're not going to have some, person that has inexperience on dealing with your taxes. You're going to have me or my assistant, my general manager. She has more experience than me. We're going to take care of your taxes and take care of your, everything that you need to be taken care of. And so if you're online thinking, oh, let me do it myself on TurboTax, you're kind of playing a guessing game. And if at the same time, if you're not having enough withholdings taken out of your tax return, we even offer where you can get a free a tax estimator, and check up on you, see if they're not taking enough tax out of your paycheck.
Right. Sometimes better to take a little more out than be stuck at the end paying them. So, well, Marshawn, this is an exciting time of year for you.
It's very, very exciting time, Ben.
But you're going to be busy in a couple of weeks, huh?
We are going to start being busy pretty soon. Yes, because our clients are just waiting for their W-2s. Most people now they should have been mailed out about the 31st of January, and so give it another maybe a week or so, 3 to 5 days to come in the mail. Once it comes in the mail, then most people are going to be, rushing to those tax offices. But before you rush, just stop, take a pause, and, know what your options are. And do your homework on your tax companies. If you know that you're going to need a tax advance and your credit isn't, too shabby or not in the best shape, you might want to reconsider, going to those big name brand companies and trying to get a tax
They're probably
advance.
not going to give you that.
They're not going to give you
tax
that loan. I'm sorry, it's just the outcome of the situation or the nature of the business or the nature of the beast is what I call it, because they spend a lot of money in advertising.
So if your what do you call it, PIN W-2?
If you have a W-2
was mailed out yesterday, you don't have it yet, but you can still go to the website and open your account, set up your account, set up your login and stuff. When you get the W-2s, then you put them in.
You can put them in, or if we have if you have a Gmail account, you can actually use our Google form. You can upload things through the Gmail account.
Okay.
And just kind of take a look at, if you don't have a retirement, if you don't, have any 401k savings. We also are in the insurance market as well. If you don't have health insurance, we sign people up for Cover California, Medi-Cal. If you don't have life insurance, we take care of everything for our customers.
Okay. Now, we were talking about things, what should people do with their return? One is you could help them put that into retirement.
They can put it into a retirement account. They can open up a CD that helps build their credit. They can pay down some debt. They can have an emergency fund. And then, if most people probably take it and, if those that aren't responsible, they just blow it on things that are,
And that's why I call you more of a tax consultant
Correct.
than a preparer, because those places you take your taxes and they're not going to consult you where to put that refund and
They're not
get
gonna
it in
educate you.
retirement or get it into something else.
correct. And it's a cycle. Every year you're going to go back again and having to pay Uncle Sam every year. Well, why are you going to that same company coming out with the same results?
Right.
If you get the same results 3 times, then it's almost like you're insanity.
Yeah, you're asking for it.
Stop filing your taxes with insanity and start, using a little, educated, information or just start using common sense is what I call it. And we're going to, take care of our clients like if they're family. And so that's the way we treat our customers. We don't want, a customer that comes with us one time. We want to, have a customer that's coming to us, for many years to come.
Continuous
and if you can
relationship.
exactly.
So.
And if you need to pay your water bill, your PG&E bill, you get a money order, you can do all that from a tax office.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. So we're helping you pay your bills.
Good deal. Well, listen, we're out of time. Anything else you want our viewers to know about? Say the name of the company.
It's MKG Tax Consultants.
Okay. Like Marshawn K. Govan.
Yes.
Tax consultant.
Tax Consultants.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else you want our viewers to know?
One other thing, if you're looking at, want to own some of our business or start your own business, we're also having an opportunity where you can become a remote tax advisor. We're helping you become your own entrepreneur. If you want to also become an investor, we have an investor relations program where, you can also invest into our company, invest in some of our products that we're offering. Because I believe at the end of this year, we are expecting to go public.
Nice.
So once we go public, then we're going to be expanding into other states, other areas, and right now is a good time for us, a growth stage for us.
Well, I'm gonna make money just sending friends over there, making what, $50?
$50,
Every time I send someone over
unlimited customers, and that you can just download your Cash App. If send us a customer, download your Cash App, and once they come in, you're going to see your money come. How fast you can get your money in Cash App? That's pretty fast.
It's
fast.
instant. Yeah, I can
real fast.
vouch for that. All right, Marshawn, Govan, MKG Tax Consultants. It's that time of year. Don't just automatically go to the big guy. These guys are getting to be big guys right here.
We're up there with the big guys. So just like I say,
you just don't have the commercial every 2 minutes on the TV.
Exactly.
It's only
That's what they're doing. It's that advertisement. Don't get hooked like a fish on the advertisement.
Right. Go to mkgtaxconsultants.com. Open your account now. When your W-2s arrive, plug them in, and you're in business. We'll be back with more Central Valley talk right after this.